Hello, and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending March 6th, equity markets moved to negative territory as the war in the Middle East and disruption in the oil markets have created global inflation fears. The U.S. manufacturing data was stronger than expected and was in expansion territory for the second consecutive month. We should see a continuation of expansion in the manufacturing sector, even as price pressures and employment weakness continue. U.S. services data was stronger than expected in February as business activity and new orders were strong, while employment also improved compared to January. Employment growth in the private sector increased by more than expected 63,000 jobs, with education and healthcare services leading the way. Productivity continued to increase during the last quarter of 2025, with labor costs also increasing. As expected, import prices increased 0.2% in January. And finally, the employment report for February was negative, down 92,000 jobs. The unemployment rate ticked up to 4.4% from 4.3% in January. Year to date, the Dow is down 1.2%. The S&P is also down 1.5%, and the Nasdaq is down 3.7%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.15%. Oil spiked higher at $91.08 a barrel. Gold closed down $5,151.83 an ounce, with silver closing at $83.91 an ounce. For this week of March 9th, Tuesday we'll get the Optimism Index and existing home sales. Wednesday, the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, will be reported. CPI measures the average change over time in the prices that consumers pay for a market basket of goods and services. Core CPI excludes food and energy. Thursday, we'll get initial jobless claims, the U.S. trade deficit, housing starts, and building permits. And on a very busy Friday, the first revision of fourth quarter GDP, personal income, personal spending, durable goods orders, job openings, consumer sentiment, and the PCE price index, which reflects changes in the prices of goods and services paid by consumers. It is a key measure of inflation used by the Fed. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything we heard in this video, please give us a call. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.